Hello, fellow marketers. Today we're taking a look at a program called Clipscribe, a video editing software that will make your videos pop in social media. This is excellent for small clips that you're using to advertise your business, and you can do some eye-catching things with these videos. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I do a video. In this video, we're going to take a look at the sales page, and then we're going to go and take a look inside of the software itself. And after that, I'm going to give you my opinion of what I actually think about this software and whether or not I think it's something that will actually help you with your business. So stay tuned because I'm going to do an in-depth review and walkthrough of this program so we can see exactly what it can do for us. And also, if you've been looking for a safe and effective program to help you with your online marketing, click the link in the description below. With Clipscribe, you can easily create attention-commanding subtitled videos for social media that won't get lost in the feed. You can scale attention. Did you know over 80% of social media videos are watched without sound? Clipscribe easily transforms a single video into multiple attention-commanding forces that will help you scale views, interest, and brand loyalty on multiple platforms with ease. Here's an example of how your videos will look once you actually use Clipscribe. And here are some of the features. Automated subtitle creation, multiple preset layouts, attention-grabbing headlines. You can add logos, emojis, and images. You can add a custom countdown creator. They have a template and copy engine. You can save your design as a template to use over and over, or easily copy your design to a new layout with the click of a button. They have 17 languages that you can transcribe and create subtitles for. They have a blog exporter and a SRT import-export so that you can import files from other applications or export them from Clipscribe. Here you have a couple of testimonials, and it's web-based and built for desktop and mobile devices. So with that, let's go in and take a look at the product. We're now inside of the software, and the first thing that we would do would be to upload a video. I'm going to select a file to upload. You just click there, and then you'll be prompted to go to your desktop and find a video that you want to use. So I found a video, and then they ask, was your video shot horizontally or vertically? It was shot vertically, so I'll click here, and then I'll just click submit. So now they take your video, and then they start creating your subtitles. As you can see here, it says, actually wait about 5 to 10 minutes while I use my robot powers to create your subtitles. I will email you when they are ready. Alrighty, so my image is ready. My subtitles have been added. Now, if I want to edit, you just click this little button here. The next option is to choose the layout that you want. It's actually showing you how the subtitles are going to look on the screen. This basically just shows the shape of the subtitle. So I'm going to go with this one. This is the next step in the choosing of the layout, are the colors and the design and the way you want it to actually appear on screen. So you just basically pick one. So I'll go with this one. Now I can add a headline. The way you do that is you just click on it and then you go here and you can make your changes here. Then for the subtitle, go to this second box. As you scroll through, you'll see that your whole script has been added. Just click in the CC here at the top. Now you can see your whole script. Just for the record, I copied the script from the introductory video by Craig, and that's the script that I'm using to create the video that we're creating today. Now you can go to the help desk, and when you click the help desk, you get an option to watch our video tutorials to get started. And when you click this, you'll see a host of videos to help for each section of this software, which is beautiful. If you click on either one of these titles, it'll take you straight to a video that'll tell you just about that section of the actual software itself. And it goes on for each section. It's got in-depth tutorials. But this is great for a software to have such in-depth tutorials to guide you along your way. They have an excellent support group also. So just wanted to show you that. Okay, back to the editing. The first thing I'm going to do is play the script so we can see what we're actually dealing with here. Hey everybody, it's Robert Poole here to talk about Clipscribe, the tool that helps you easily create social media marketing videos with subtitles on autopilot. You simply upload your video and in a few minutes you have your subtitles. You then have access to an editor where you can add headlines. It has different layouts for different social media platforms. Create an eye-popping headline that stops people in the feed so that they check out your videos to see what you're talking about. And this isn't closed captioning. You got to be able to grab them so they'll watch your video and listen to what you're talking about. Thank you. This is Robert Poole signing off. Have a nice day. Saw a few errors. So let's edit this. If we wanted to change some things here, we can go to the actual text itself and bring up that part of the video, and then we can actually work in here and edit the text. So let's do that. Let's go to, okay, the first one I see right here, E should be at the last part of my name, so I'll bring that up so it stops right there. And then let me just click in there and then add the E. And then the next thing is, this is actually Clipscribe, not Clipscribe. So, and this scribe should be up at the top. So let's highlight this, and there's a little button here, and it says merge highlighted with above block. And then you just click it, and that merges. And then I want to change this CK to P. So I just change that. Now I have to click save for those changes to take effect. Let me go to CC. So now you can scroll through and just correct it like that. So I can take this comma out, and let's say, now like I showed you how to merge. If you want to merge some text, let's say create social media marketing videos with subtitles on autopilot. Width, let's move width down. So we could highlight this, and then we can merge highlight it with below block. And when we do that, we've just changed it to create social media marketing videos with subtitles on autopilot. Let's move on. You can add a countdown timer. It could be in the form of a bars like this, or it could be blocks, or it could be a full timer which circles the whole video itself. And the way it works is, depending on what you wanted to add, if you wanted to add a bar, you just come down, you click on it, double click, and it'll add right to the top of your screen here. Now what you could do is, before you actually put it on your video itself, you can decide how you want it and where you want it to appear. On the actual bar itself, you just click the little pencil here. And when you do that, you can decide whether you want a block. Here you can actually design how you want it to look, how big you want it, and change colors. You can make the letters a different size. But when you click this box, you get this bar, and you can just scroll up and down. And if you look at the actual timer, you can see that you can make it larger or smaller. You can change the colors of the box just by clicking here and just picking a color that you prefer. If you don't like that color, you can just manipulate the colors and just change them around to something else. If you choose that color, that would be the color of your timer. If you wanted it to be a bar, just click the bar and it would come this way. Now if you wanted it at the bottom, now this is when you can grab it and you can actually move it around. You can move it around here. Let's say you want it at the bottom. Let's say you want it red. You just click there. You can close that. Let's say you choose it. I know that's a weird color, but this is just an example. Now the countdown has been added to the top of your page, and you can grab it and you can move it wherever you like, anywhere on the page. And if you want to change it, or if you want to add a block, let's say you want to add a block, So you want it to make it a countdown timer, you just double click it, just grab it, move it around, and you can apply the colors the way I showed you previously. You can change the background colors if you wanted to. So if you wanted to come here, this is the bottom bar, you can just click down here where it says bottom bar design, and right here you'll see this little tab, and if you click that, what you'll get is an option to add your own background, or you can add a stock background. So if we click stock background, you'll see here plenty of images that you can use for your backgrounds. So let's just choose one. So I'll click this one. As you can see, it changes the background of your image on your video. So you can do this over and over. If you don't like that one, you just go in and you can just replace it with another background. You just go back to stock backgrounds and just change it to whichever one you like. So you just click there, and as you can see, it changes on the bottom here. So I'm not going to go into a lot of designing and everything. I just want to give you the general idea of how you could do this. And you can also manipulate the colors in here. If you didn't like this color, you could simply just click the colors button here, just change it back to a plain solid color. You can change it right back to white, exactly the way it was, or you can leave the image that you had chosen. Then once you're done, you just click choose, and that takes care of the color of the bottom subtitle of your video. Let's make some changes to the subtitle here. We never got around to it. Let's do it now. So if we click it, we can go here, we can change the colors. We click there, we can make it red if we want to, or we can make it black. Let's make it black. We can change the font. Just click here, just switch the font around to something else that you might desire. You can change the text itself by clicking on it and just make the changes that you like. It's just as simple as that. And as you can see, the changes have been made right here on the video itself. Once you're done, you're happy with everything you've done right there, you just go back up and click the save button right here. Here you have your options to change the font if you like. So check out Clipscribe. If I wanted to change the font there, I just click here and I just put in the change that I want. Of course, I don't like that one, so let's make something that makes more sense. Let's try this one. There you go. That's a little better. And that's how you do that. Once you're done with the changes that you've made to your video, now you can just click the button here to actually preview the video itself. Hey everybody, it's Robert Poole here to talk about Clipscribe, the tool that helps you easily create social media marketing videos with subtitles on autopilot. You simply upload your video and in a few minutes you have your subtitles. You then have access to an editor where you can add headlines. It has different layouts for different social media platforms. Create an eye-popping headline that stops people in the feed so that they check out your videos to see what you're talking about. And this isn't closed captioning. You got to be able to grab them so they'll watch your video and listen to what you're talking about. Thank you. This is Robert Poole signing off. Have a nice day. Once you're happy with everything, you're going to click this Make button right here. And once you click it, you're going to get some options. It says, we have auto-sized your subtitle box for your longest lines. To prevent clipping, please check position and make again. Say OK, and then just go ahead and click it. And now it's going to make your video. It's going to make the subtitles, and it's going through a process called encoding. Once it's done, it's going to take you to this site here where you can actually download it. You can download it to your blog. You can export it as an SRT file, or you can download it to your Dropbox. I'm just going to click download, and now it's going to go through the regular downloading process. After you want it downloaded, you just click OK. You pick a spot, and you can rename it if you like. This is quite a long name here, so you just change it to whatever suits you. I'm going to put it on my desktop. I'm going to call it Clipscribe, and I'm going to save it. And now that I have downloaded that video, I can use it for whatever purpose I see fit. You can purchase Clipscribe for $8 a month with the starter plan. Then you have the pro plan, which is $12 a month, and then the agency, which is $24 per month. With the starter plan, you get 1 year of Clipscribe access, which includes 30 transcription minutes per month, unlimited video export downloads, 30 gigabyte of video storage, all Clipscribe features listed below. These are the features I showed you on the beginning of the sales page, and these are all the features that you get with Clipscribe. The yearly pricing is $8 per month, but you can also get it monthly. If you go monthly, you can get it for $10 a month and just charge month by month. Maybe you want to try it out for a month. This would be a good way to do that. Then you got the pro value at $16 per month and the agency, which you can get for $32 a month. I hope you stayed around long enough to see the intricate mechanics of Clipscribe and how it works. As far as my opinion is concerned, I think Clipscribe is a great program to handle social media videos. I think Clipscribe does exactly what it was made to do, which is what you're looking for in products. It's not necessarily the best video editor out there. There are other more robust video editing softwares that will do this and more. For instance, Vidnami. But in this particular case, for $10 a month, I don't think this is a bad deal. If you happen to be big on social media marketing and you're looking for a way to actually have your videos created with the subtitles and all of that already in the video itself, you just download a video to Clipscribe and they take care of the subtitles for you. So that's a pretty good deal as far as I'm concerned. Just click the link in the description below to get access to Clipscribe. I hope this was helpful for you. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. And once again, if you've been looking for a free, I'm talking about a free blueprint that will answer all the questions you need to help you get started with your online marketing, click the link in the description below so you can get access to that for free. All right, signing off. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. And you have a nice day.